Connect the machine power cord and chiller power cord. Connect the conveyor belt connector line. The water pipe of the chiller is directly connected to the machine. The plug here will be unplugged when shipped. Just plug it in after receiving it. Turn on the chiller switch. Wait for the temperature to reach the preset temperature of around 25 C. Then turn on the machine control switches. Emergency stop switch. Laser. These two are electric lifting buttons. This is a light source regulator. The button above can adjust the intensity of the light. This button controls the light switch. Turn on the computer switch in the cabinet, waiting for the computer to start up. Find the focus first. Open the desktop marking software. Click the text tool to edit the text information. Centered. Check continuous. Place the marking object under the galvanometer and place an aluminum sheet on top. Adjust the focus distance by electric lifting button. When the light is strongest, it is the focus. After finding the focus, close the software. Then open the Vision software on the desktop. Enter password 2. The first thing to do after entering the software is to create a new file. Here we create a new file called ABC. This means the new creation is successful. Here is the real-time display button. The camera is not displayed after it is closed. Here we need to choose to open it. Place the marker object in the center of the scope box. Click on the visual marker parameter on the right. Select the first template settings. Then adjust the exposure. The larger the value, the brighter it is. The smaller the value, the darker it is. The strongest comparison is the appropriate parameters. Then click New Template. Simple Template. Contour Algorithm. Click OK. Click here to redraw the template. After selecting the box, a green line will appear, which is the outline captured by the machine. Here the angle range. When your product is placed in the forward direction, you need to change it to -18 to 18. If the angle is placed randomly, change it to -180 to 180. This is the degree of similarity. The larger the value, the more accurate the recognition. Adjust according to the actual situation. Other values do not need to be adjusted. Click OK. Template 1 will appear here. After selecting, click Try Match below. Green numerical values appear in the main view. You can see that the matching value here is 99.9. This indicates successful positioning. Then click Marking Settings. Click here to edit our marking content. Click the text tool to edit the content. Here we edit the content to laser 1 to 3. After centering, you can modify the size as needed. Here you can zoom in or out of the view. You can better observe the file content. The parameters here can be adjusted according to actual conditions. Or you can consult the engineer for specific parameters. Then click Fill. Line spacing is 0.02. Check Cross-Fill. If you zoom in, you can see the intersecting lines. After editing the content, be sure to center the file. Then save the file. Close Windows after saving. Then click Add and then click No.1. After turning on the real-time view, the window will show the edited content. Then we move to the location that needs to be marked. Here you can set the delay parameters. If the product is shaking, you can adjust the parameters. Delay the shooting time to make the recognition more accurate. Click Next to set up the conveyor belt. Shortcut key CTRL plus I to bring up the small window. Switch to the sports card and select Calibrate button will light up. When the conveyor moves from right to left, the marking object is placed on the right side. Click Calibrate and the conveyor belt movement indicates that the calibration is successful. Close small windows. The range here is set to around 8 mm. Return to the main interface. Click to run automatically. Can be correctly marked. Finally, multiple markers are randomly placed. Click to run automatically. Can be marked completely correctly. After marking, save the file and open it directly next time. Closed software. Next time you use it, open the software. Password 2. File open. Select the ABC file you saved earlier. Click this to open. This is the file used before. Ready to use. Finally, close the software and shut down the computer. Turn off the laser, emergency stop, and control switch.